Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be learning how to make 3D Minecraft. So right now we're going to get to sprite 1 and just call it like ARM or something. Short for arm or whatever. Now what we need to do is we're going to get an arm out right over here. You bring it out and we're going to do that, and I'm going to finish it like that. And we're going to have like a flat one going down and then right here. And then I'm going to go up and there. Just like an arm. And then I'm going to find a skin color. I like this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the brush size a little bit bigger. And I'm going to quickly fill it in. If you want to do it another way, that's totally fine with me. I'm just actually no. So the skin color is going to go on the hand. And then over here too. And then we're going to find like blue color or whatever color you want for the arm on the shirt. And we're going to fill it in too. And that's going to be the arm. Now we're going to have another sprite. Painting a sprite. What I want to call it, I'm just going to have it as the grass. So the fill is like green and the brightness will be full for the grass, and we don't need the outline for this. So make sure it's X'd out. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make it really big. Now we're just going to have to make the size a little bit bigger, and that's all we need. Now for backdrops, we're going to select the backdrop and we're going to make a backdrop. All we need for this is actually so what we're going to do is use the I think we need to turn the this on. And so what we're going to need to do is get the sky, which will be kind of easy. So turning this blue and making a box and making it, since there is no size, I'm just gonna make it big. And there we have our sky. Now let's go to arm. 1. We're gonna do one up arrow. We're gonna broadcast up. Okay, so we're gonna broadcast up. The way you can switch this around. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. One down arrow. I think you might have guessed it. We're gonna broadcast down. Now when right arrow, rest, we're gonna broadcast right, right. And when left arrow is pressed, we're gonna broadcast left. There, now we have it. Now this only has one. When I receive up times, now we're gonna go to motion. We're gonna change the Y by 10. So if we just test that out for a second, it's going to go up. So we need to change Y by -10. And now it's going to change the Y by 10. So by now it looks like we're kind of jumping, but when green flag is clicked, I sort of want this to be in the to the front layer. So now we see our arm always, but just don't hold it because we're gonna have to fix that in the neck. So if you just press it, you see we jump up and down. And that is the beginning of our tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the second part of 3D Minecraft. Bye!